Hey guys, it's Bridget Moore with the Bridget Moore Group here at our newest listing. Located in the gated neighborhood of Marblegate Court and situated on a huge cul-de-sac lot of over 12,500 square feet with no back neighbors and a pool and spa. With over 3,100 square feet in a unique 1.5-story floor plan, this home features 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a dining room with butler's pantry, study with built-ins, a game room upstairs, and a zone to Klein ISD. The kitchen features an island with double ovens, walk-in pantry, and an expansive breakfast bar open to the den dining room with views of the pool. The primary bedroom is located downstairs with wood floors and a sitting area with private access to the backyard. The primary bath features dual sinks, a jetted tub, separate shower, and 2 walk-in closets, both with built-ins. For any questions or to schedule your private tour, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.